Hi fam, this is video number 3. I hope you guys enjoyed watching video number 1 and video number 2 using these beautiful pink flowers. Okay, now the supplies you would need for this centerpiece are, you would need 1 glass vase, 1 small foam ball, 2 candle holders, a large round mirror. You would need at least 3 bunches of hot pink flowers or whatever you prefer, whatever color you want to use. 3 bunches of hot pink flowers, 1 bunch of white flowers, 2 flower rings. Now if you do not have the flower rings, you can use a round floral foam and just add flowers to it. And you can create the exact same look. Gonna also need 6 tea lights, and since we're going to spray our glass vase and candle holders, we're going to use some frost glass spray. This is an option to use the glitter spray on top. Your glue gun and your wire cutters. You ready? Let's get started. Okay, now it's time to add the flowers to the foam ball. Okay, now I'm finished with my flower arrangement. Now the frost on the vase has dried. Now what I did was I frosted the vase and the candle holders, and I put spray on top of it, but the spray made the frost come off. so I had to frost it again. So it's not a good idea to use frost and glitter spray on top of it. Just use the frost spray, okay? So anyway, this is how it turned out, okay? Now I'm going to turn my tea light on, drop it in there, okay? Then I'm going to add my flower arrangement on top, okay? Now what you can do is put a little glue right on the side just so it can hold in place. Let's see, we'll do it this way. Okay. Then we're going to take our tea lights, put them inside each candle holder. Okay. Take another one, put it there, and put another one here. You can stop right there if you do not have your flower rings. If you do have your flower rings, you put the candle holders inside, right in the middle. Do the same over here. Put your candle holder right in the middle of your flower rings. Bring it a little closer together. You can put your tea lights right in the back. And that is your completed look. Family members, we have reached 6,000 family members. Yay! I appreciate each and every person that has pressed that subscribe button, that like button, turned that notification bell on, and also shared my videos. Mwah! I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We're almost at 10,000 family members, and once we get to 10,000 family members, I'm going to do a giant giveaway. So go run and tell somebody to tune in to Monica Monet Collection. They can win something. Also, I am working on a store. Yay! Shout out to the people who said, Monica, you need a store. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Once I get this store up, I will let you guys know who inspired me to do so. I appreciate you guys. Keep rocking with me. Keep watching my videos from beginning to the end, all the way through. And how about watching those commercials too, okay? Go ahead on and watch those commercials. Also, I hope you guys are taking something away. I hope it's inspiring you guys. Ones that are getting married or know somebody getting married, congratulations to them. Okay, because I know it's a lot planning a wedding. Again, I would just like to say thank you, thank you, thank you. And also, don't forget to go on over to Beauty Nails by Monica and watch those nails. Woo! 6,000 family members strong. 6,000 family members strong. Yeah, yeah, yeah.